This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing files and the environment. Open your PowerPoint and switch slideshow to presenter view so notes remain private. This matters because you need control over timing and cues. Once done, sign into Zoom and join the meeting as host or co-host. Make sure screen share permissions are enabled. Close background apps and enable Do Not Disturb so audio and pop-ups do not interrupt the presentation. Now you're ready to share with confidence and maintain professional pacing. Next, start the share and control your audience view. Click Share Screen and pick the slideshow window or the monitor showing slides. This avoids accidentally exposing your desktop. If slides contain video or animation, check Optimize for video clip so playback stays smooth. Otherwise, leave it off to preserve quality. Make use of the Zoom toolbar, annotate for live markings, pause share to hide transitions temporarily, and remote control only when necessary. These choices keep viewers focused and reduce technical hiccups. To finish, stop the slideshow and end the screen share so you can return to gallery view for questions. You can share speaker notes afterward by pasting them in chat or sending a cloud link. This preserves the narrative for attendees. If viewers report audio delay or lag during playback, switch from full-screen monitor share to sharing the specific PowerPoint application, or lower the screen resolution and disable Optimize for video clip. These quick fixes restore sync and keep your meeting on schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.